project of Ugandan Law Society Bakenyi. I'm with my colleague, the paralegal officer, Mr. Chan Dennis. Here we have the stall of Ugandan Law Society Legal Aid Project. Our project is funded by UN Women, which is implementing a project to end violence against women and girls. We do a lot of interventions, among which mediation. We promote ADR both in communities, at office, and also court and needs. We also do legal representation where the mediations are failed in courts of law. And we also carry out community sensitizations in communities, areas of detention, that is police and prisons. Our project coverage is per day, but being the only legal aid service provider, we also receive cases from Agalo. Yes. So basically that's what we are implementing, and these are some of the IEC materials that we use during carrying out of the sensitizations, and most of them are in the Luo dialect.
Thank you. I am happy about the translation of the material in Gimara.
Thank you.
But you should read about the service. Let every sub-council that in your funding would dig down to the monsters so that people know their rights, people know how to handle issues. That's one. Two, I do not know how much on the ground you have. Do you move around or people come to you?
Yes, we usually have community sensitization, and we also have community-based paralegals. So the community-based paralegals are the ones who give us areas that we need to focus on in terms of sensitization. So once we receive the reports, then we conduct community sensitizations in their areas.
How about radio programs?
We do also conduct radio programs. Mostly we do them on Luo FM and Rapa FM.
How do you help in domestic violence?
Domestic violence being criminal in nature, the best we can do for complainants who come to office is through referrals. We refer them to police, then we also follow up with police and office of the DPP to see that the accused persons are produced in court and prosecuted.
What do you do for us men when domestic violence is committed against us?
We also encourage men to come to office when we are carrying out the sensitization. I say violence is not only against women and girls. We've also received complaints on violence against men, and we also make referrals and follow up and ensure that the culprits are prosecuted. Yes.
Do you also promote mediation, negotiated settlement?
Yes, we do. Among the interventions, we have community sensitizations. We usually also encourage people who have either matters in court or who feel they have disputes amongst them to bring them to our attention, and we help them mediate.